Hey guys, sharing is caring. I'm gonna say it again. Sharing is caring. Listen, guys, if someone tries to come and share my videos, I gotta give them, proper respect and go back and try to hit them as well. I do that as quickly as I can. Sometimes I'm a little later than what I want to be, but again, guys, the more shares, the more views, the better. And if we can, you're gonna go throw in there a comment, and you're also gonna like the video as well. You're gonna heart it. I'm doing this with some other creators. We're kind of bouncing off of each other, helping each other, and sharing each other's content. And it's the same creators that showing me love. If others would do this, you would see your growth level on noise begin to grow. For those of you that are, kind of having trouble getting growth started, or maybe your accounts, you're just not seeing the movement that you like, just try starting to really bake your account and start following other noise creators. And then, start liking their videos, reposting their videos, saving their videos, commenting on their videos. This type of interaction helps with the algorithm of TikTok, and they'll recognize it and keep pushing out. Definitely with the commenting. When someone comments on your video, even if it's a noise friend, put some sort of verbiage in there. You can add emojis, but verbiage is better for the algorithm. At least, I would say 3 to 5 words. That verbiage helps push your content as well to other people. So the more commenting that the algorithm's seeing, you'll start seeing your stuff being pushed even more. So if someone comments, make sure you reply to the comment. Like I said, start interacting with other creators, start sharing their content, start pushing their content, and other people will come along and should start pushing you as well. That's really how it should work. But like I said, guys, sharing is caring. I'm hoping that, you guys are getting something from this video. Like I said, guys, I started this and got real serious the last couple of months. The last couple of weeks have been incredible. I'm averaging a pretty good amount of money a day. I'm not ready to quit my other side hustle yet, but it's getting close. And noise is just carrying me all the way. But guys, it's coming from sharing other people's posts as well. The interaction and the engagement. Hope this helps.